Hi there, here's a video on how to replace the battery in your Vanderhall key fob. You're going to need a 2032 battery. You're going to need a very small Phillips screwdriver. This is a PH00. And you're also going to need a regular flat tip screwdriver. And I've put links below in the description to get everything you need. So there are 4 very small Phillips screws on the 4 corners. I've removed 3 of them already. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this, and I'd recommend doing it over a towel, so when you drop this tiny little screw, you don't lose it forever. So there's the 4 screws. You can see how small those are. Now you just want to take your screwdriver here and just gently pry these apart. You can see it comes apart pretty easily. This is your battery. It's in here very delicately. Just want to go ahead and pull that out. And when you put your replacement battery in, you want to make sure it's under these 2 clips here and kind of centered like that. You want to make sure this felt is where the positive side of the battery goes. Make sure that's seated in there nicely. Put the top on and give it a squeeze. If it doesn't go back together easily, you've got the board in sideways. Go ahead and put your 4 screws back in and you're all set. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.